Welcome to online class children. Today we will learn lesson 3 negative sentences for class 3rd students. Okay. So first of all, what do you mean by negative sentences? Negative sentences means no type of sentences. Okay. No type of sentences are called negative sentences. Okay. And negative sentences express always refusal and denial. When you refuse something, when you deny something, it is called negative sentences. Example, suppose affirmative sentences are also there and negative sentences are. Affirmative means simple sentences, positive sentences, affirmative sentences. And negative sentence means no type of sentences, which express denial, which express refusal. That type of sentences are called negative sentences. So suppose one will see one example. I am hungry. Okay, I am hungry. So this is affirmative sentence. Okay, affirmative sentence means positive sentence. Suppose, for example, in this one example, I am hungry. So this is I am hungry. Okay, and when we change into negative sentence, how will it change? We will use not. We will use what? Not. So I am not hungry. So as this is affirmative sentence. Okay. And when we change into the negative sentence, they use what? Not. Okay. So here, like this, negative sentence, and we make this negative sentence. How it will be? I am not hungry. Okay. So like this we are changing. What we have added is not. Okay, I am hungry. So this is a positive sentence. I am not hungry. So this is negative sentence. Why it is negative sentence? Because you are expressing what? Your denial, refusal. That's why it is negative sentence. You are using not. Okay. Again we will take one more example. Suppose here, now here we will just see the negative sentences in the present continuous and the past continuous tense in form. How we will change when it is in the present continuous and the past continuous form? How we will change into the negative sentence? So, rule is there for changing into the negative sentence, isn't it? No, rule is there for now. When the sentences is in the present continuous and past continuous, how will form a negative sentence? Suppose here. So for the present continuous, okay, present continuous. So how to change, into the negative sentences? Okay. Now, first of all, present continuous and the past continuous for both. Present continuous and for past continuous also. So, past continuous. When the sentence is in present continuous tense or past continuous tense. Okay. So how we will change into how will form the negative sentence? So here subject, rule is what? Subject. Okay. Subject plus am is okay, subject plus am is are, was, okay, was, were, plus not, okay, plus not, because we are changing into the negative sentence. So plus not, plus present participle ing form. Okay, plus present participle ing form. Okay, that is present participle means ing form of the verb. No, ing form. Now, so this is the rule when the sentence is in the present continuous and past continuous. What you have to add when you make the negative sentence? Subject plus am is are. Okay. Subject plus am is are for the present continuous. Okay. Are plus not, then past continuous, present participle ing form of the verb. Okay. Like this for both, for present continuous and for past continuous. Okay. Was, were plus not and present participle ing form of the verb. So we'll say, just will take one example here. Suppose I am driving my car. I am driving my car. So this is the affirmative sentence. When we will change into the negative sentence, I am not driving my car. So this is in which tense? This is the present continuous tense. I am driving my car. So here, example, I am driving my car. So this is the affirmative sentence, and when we change into the negative sentence, and it is in which tense? I am driving my car, present continuous. It is in the present continuous tense, and when we will change into the negative sentence, so it will become what? I am not driving my car. Okay, so like this we are changing into the negative sentence. One more example we'll see here of past continuous. We'll see the example of past continuous tense. Suppose here he was selling fruit. He was selling fruit. Now we'll take one example of past continuous tense. Now we'll take one example of past continuous tense. So he was, example for past continuous tense. So he was selling fruit. He was selling fruit. Okay. So this is in which tense? This sentence is in past continuous tense because was is used here. No? Now, when we change into the negative sentence, so how it will become? What it will become? He was not selling fruit. He was not selling. He was not selling fruit. Okay. So this sentence we have changed into the negative sentence. Understood? Okay. Now, I think you have understood this present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Now the rule is for subject plus am is are, was, were, does not for both. For present continuous and for the past continuous. Okay, not plus present participle form of the verb. Okay, like this is one example. Okay, now here for both it is for present continuous also, for past continuous also. Now again we'll see the another example of negative sentences in present simple or past simple. Okay, negative sentences in present simple or past simple tense is formed. How will it form it? So this is a rule is there for now. Present simple and past simple. Present simple and past simple. Okay. So now here the rule is changed. It will become changed. Now here when it will become present simple and past simple to form a negative sentence. Okay. Now here you see. So here subject plus do. Subject plus do, does, did not. Okay. Subject plus do, does, did not. Okay. Subject plus do, does, did not. Okay. Here plus, because we are using not for auto, not plus what? Plus base form. Plus base form. So this is a rule, no? Plus base form. Now here, subject plus do, does, did, plus not, plus base form. Okay. This is for what purpose? When we are changing the sentence into negative sentence. When the sentence is in the present simple or past simple. So we will see one example. Suppose Sarita sang a song. Sarita sang a song. Example. Sarita sang a song. So this one is in which tense? In past simple. And you have to change into negative sentence. So it will become Sarita did not sing a song. Okay, how it will become? Sarita did not sing a song. Okay, so you have changed here into the negative sentence. Okay. Now, I think you have understood this, no? This is in which tense it is? It is in the past simple. So, that past simple, it is there and you have changed into the negative sentence. And what we have used here? We have used here not. Okay, did not. Okay, now we will see one more example. Okay, suppose I walk daily. I walk daily. So this is in which tense? It is in the present simple. I walk daily. So this is in the present simple. So we will see one example. And you have to change into negative sentence. Here example. I walk daily. Okay. Now when you change, this is one sentence and this sentence is in which tense? In the present simple. And when you change into the negative sentence, how you will change? I do not walk daily. So I do not. What you have used here? Do not walk daily. Okay. This is in the negative form. No, this sentence now it become in the negative form. Okay. Now she learns her lesson. She does not learn her lesson. Like this, you have to change according to the rule. You have to follow the rule. Understood? Now, some sentences are there. The sentences in form with here sentences containing has, have, had shows a possession. Has, had, and have shows a possession. So that sentences also change into negative sentences. How? So what you have to do? Subject plus have, has, had plus no. Only what you have to add? Only you have to add no. Okay. After have, has or had. Okay. The word which shows a possession. So has, have, had shows a possession. So with that you have to use what? No. Okay. Understood? Now we will see this. The sentences which shows a possession. So sentences containing has. When sentences containing has, have, had. It shows what? It shows a possession. Okay, sentences containing has, have, had. What it shows? It shows possession. It shows possession. Okay. How you will change into the negative negative sentence. How you will change? So this by using this rule. So what is the rule? Subject plus has, have, had plus no. Okay, has, have, had plus no, or have, had, has plus no. Okay, have, had, or has plus no. So these sentences shows what? Possession. Okay. So what we are using here? With subject plus have, had, has plus no to make a negative sentence. Example here, I will just one example will take here, which shows the sentences which shows the possession. To change into the negative sentence, I have a mobile. Suppose one example. I have a mobile. This shows the possession. No? I have a mobile. So when you will change into negative sentence, what you have to do? I have no mobile. I is the subject. I have, and subject is I have, and after that no mobile. So like this you have to change into the negative sentence. So first the subject, then have or had or has plus no. When you will do this? When the sentences shows the possession. And how you come to know that? When there is these words are there, have, had, has in the sentences, then you have to follow this rule to form a negative sentence. I think you have understood this all rules, okay, for present continuous, for past continuous, okay, and that is again for possession, the sentences which shows a possession, for that also, okay, simple sentences change into relative sentence, that also you come to know that, okay. So and for the past simple also and for present simple also, how to change the sentence into a negative sentence. I think you have understood this rules. So try to learn these rules. Okay, and I'll give the exercise part. So in your copy, what you have to write first? Well, the rules are given in the box. No, rules are given in the box. First of all, you should know the definition of negative sentence, and then you have to write a definition of negative sentence. What is negative sentence? Then you will write the rule for the present continuous, for the past continuous, and again one rule for the here for the past simple or present simple. Okay, and again one rule for the sentences which shows the possession, like this. Okay, and you have to give one example for each. Okay, so try to learn it. Okay, thank you.